Zishan has been harassing Sidra for God knows how long, and he has gotten comfortable in doing so. Now, in most cases, such things would be blamed on peer pressure, but which, like, okay, sure, his friends are problematic. We can clearly see that. But Zishan himself is a very negative character. He embodies the superiority complex of his mother and the lecherous behavior of a random guy walking on the street who looks at women like they are pieces of meat. But what has allowed him to get away with it for so long is the fact that he has scared Sidra into submission. And all of this stems from the fact that Sidra knows that even if I say something, nobody will believe me. They will accuse me of making up stories or lying because Zishan can do no wrong. Because again, he has the blind trust and support of his mother. So basically, it all circles back to parenting girls in a way that they are strong and confident enough to share what is happening in their lives, whether good or bad, with the parents so that you can protect them from whatever is happening. Another thing I find disturbing is the fact that Zishan has so many friends who know what he is doing to his cousin, and not one friend, not a single friend has come forward and said, dude, this is messed up, you need to stop. Which also portrays something about our society and where it is headed.